society, in spite that in India, a philosopher called Nagarjuna, hundreds of years ago, already posited that Boolean, or we call Boolean or Aristotelian logic, is the student's logic, that is the initiation, but the wrong one, I would say, to start thinking, if possible, about the universe, which is the universe of ourselves. I originally, when I started studying, I had no idea what would I be, if I'm a physician, an economist, a sociologist, a philosopher. I was in extremely doubt what my path would be. Till today, I'm in exactly the same situation. And I'm very happy for being in that situation. Originally, I'm a mathematical physicist. But it's impossible, at least to me, to continue thinking on a world in which it appears as us to be a theater in which we are just spectators trying somehow to control without being part of the play of controlling and living. Life is a two-way relation in which we cannot be mere spectators. That my work has continued to precisely do what was forbidden, which is to include subjectivity, feelings, and perhaps one day emotics, parallel and in connection with physics and mathematics. I'm happy to say that I'm joined in this work by an Hungarian colleague working in Budapest, here István Dénes, as much as there is also in Budapest a laboratory called the Gamma Laboratory, someone called Professor Leslie Szabo, who is developing over unity technologies, which are, of course, would we have a Torquemada, he would certainly have disposed of Leslie Szabo and his colleagues in the laboratory, yes? While at the same time, in Hungary, there are technologies that are being developed to have fuel, spaces, hydrogen, and also water, as we are also working in Argentina today. Now, in my work, it is no longer possible to separate that usual idea of an objective, separate theater, Cartesian theater, and our own structure. Because what I've discovered is that the same structure which is out there in the universe is the same structure which codifies our sensorial modes, separated, integrated, which has to do with the way in which our reasoning happens, and this is in complete relation with quantum physics. I'm extremely honored, and it's an extreme pleasure to be in this extraordinary country, in this beautiful city, and I would like to thank you in the name of the university and the academy for the opportunity to be here. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chandrakant Raju. In physics, he defined a product of Schwartz distributions and proposed an interpretation of quantum mechanics, dubbed the structured time interpretation, and a model of physical time evolution. Also, he noted that every aspect of special relativity, very courageously noted that every aspect of special relativity was published by Poincaré in papers between 1898 and 1905. He further noted that Einstein made a mistake on which much of modern physics has been built. He has proposed appropriate corrections. This award is made for these deep insights into all these areas of physics. Ladies and gentlemen, Chandrakant Raju.